Eid Mubarak, Eidun Sa'id. Eid Mubarak to all my dear brothers and sisters. On this special and sacred day, we celebrate the spirit of sacrifice, unity and faith that defines Eidul Adha. We remember the example of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, who showed us what it means to trust Allah fully and to submit to His will. May we all take this opportunity to strengthen our iman, renew our intention, and grow closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we gather with our loved ones, share meals, and perform our duties, let us also remember the less fortunate in our communities. From Nairobi to Mombasa, from Garissa to Kisumu, and extend our hands with kindness and generosity. Let it be a reminder that our faith calls us to care for one another, to uplift the needy, and to live peacefully with our neighbors. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our sacrifices, bless our families, protect our nation, and bring unity to the Muslim Ummah here in Kenya and around the world. May this Eid be filled with joy, good health, and barakah. تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. Eid Mubarak, Eidun Sa'id.